What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. You already know what's going on from the title. We are on now part 3 of rebuilding the interior. So today's agenda, we're taking out the other seat. We might be getting the back seats out, and we're actually going to finish doing the rest of the center console like I said I was. It got really dark, so I just said, you know what? It is what it is. We're not gonna do it. So today, we're gonna be getting the other seat out, like I said, and go from there. Once we get all of that out, at that point, it literally would just be getting the bottom part out, which would be in the next video, which I'll show you guys when we get out there, and getting the carpet painted. And then, of course, we have to do everything up top as well. But that's gonna be a slight process. Literally, like this whole thing, like we're moving along, like few more videos and we're gonna have the interior looking great. So excited. The only other thing I have to do now is get some seats, which are gonna be expensive. But in this one, yeah, this one we're gonna do good today. So let the vlog begin. Great, like I can care less about. Man, it's pretty rough in here, and I'm not even gonna lie, I'm embarrassed to show y'all this, but I got to, man. Gotta show you what we're working with.
Oh my god.
Holy sh. Yeah, so it's kind of rough. Not even gonna lie to you guys. But this is kind of why we're here today. Okay, feel you. But this is why we're here, to do all of this, man. We're getting that seat out. We're gonna get all of this painted. This is not gonna be tan. It's not gonna look dirty. We're gonna clean all this shit out. Like literally everything is gonna look brand new, nice and new. I'm excited. But yeah, not gonna lie, super embarrassed about this, but I have to show y'all, because if I'm not being real with y'all about this, then what's the point of me doing this? Like, we're not gonna sugarcoat anything, man. This is rough. It looks rough, but it's gonna look good when it's all done. Now, we're working on getting all of this out and this seat today. Maybe the back seats if it's not too hard and too complicated, but we'll see as we go. So let's start with just finishing off the center console. I had to put that back in because the doors automatically go up and down, and when you take the battery out, it just kind of sits halfway, which I don't want. So yeah, we're gonna, you guys get the point. Let's get to it. So I'm sitting here flapping it back and forth. I'm like, bro, why is it not coming out? There's a screw right there and right there. There's two of them holding it in, and I'm over here flapping it. Like, what? So yeah, now that we got the whole center console out like I wanted to, we are going to get the seat out and possibly start working on this. I want to get this out. It looks like we got a bolt here, a bolt here, a bolt there, and there's one on the other side as well. I don't know if we're gonna get the full thing out today, but I do want to start working on getting this out along with the seat, like I was saying before, and then figure out what to do from there moving forward. But we're getting stuff done, boys. We're not playing around this year. We're finally getting this thing done like I want to, and I'm excited about it. So let's continue on. Before we continue on with this video, please make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe to the channel. We are growing. We're cleaning close to 500 subs. Once we hit 500 subs, man, it's over, man. It's going to be a big achievement for me. So please, please, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Man, oh man, finally got the second seat out. See, this one doesn't look as bad as my driver's seat, but just so y'all can see, yeah, it's crazy, pretty ugly. I'm not gonna lie, but again, that's why we're doing this. All of this is gonna look amazing once we actually lock in and get shit done, because holy sh. I want to get the back seats out, but I forgot about these wheels back here. Amanda's wheel and my wheel. That's kind of why on that side, it's literally a chrome wheel. This wheel popped basically. It's got like a hole, it leaks every 5 seconds. I just can't get over the fact that I'm actually doing this, bro. Like, my seats are gone and I'm gonna have new nice custom ones in here. It's gonna be crazy, but like, what? All right, so next we're gonna start working on all of this. I really wanna get this piece out so I can paint this. This is literally like, once this gets painted, I'm gonna be so happy because it's gonna just start flowing. Like you'll see it, the all black on top, the black on bottom. It's gonna look amazing. So that's like the main goal, cleaning all this up and getting this carpet black. It looks like we still got a lot to do before we get somewhere. So we're gonna get the glove compartment out really quickly. That's super easy, I've done it before already. And then we'll get the screws out here at the top. So let's do that. Here's a fun fact about BMWs, if you guys didn't know. In every E46, BMW put a safety flashlight in there. So in your glove compartment, if you have an E46, right there's always going to be one. You see the logo on it? I'm not taking it out right now, but you can see it right there. Let me get this glove compartment out. We are moving along, man. So now the underside is out. You can see it's a little bit loose now. It might not be hard to catch on camera, but it's shaking now. Getting this screw out, getting that one out, and all along the way will make this whole process come out a lot easier, which I'm super excited for. That's gonna be in the next video. We'll be doing this. Let's get everything inside, man, and we'll take a look at what we got we're working with. All right, so real quick, two things before this video ends. First thing, I can't remember if it was last video or the video before that, we previewed or we looked at this carbon fiber piece. Remember I wrapped it and the top piece is kind of showing. We're gonna go take that out today and put a piece in, just put this one in, just so I can see how it fits and if everything worked out like how I was expecting it to. And also, I have something in here I wanna show you guys that we will probably be doing in the next video. Maybe be doing the next video. One of them at least. We're gonna be doing one of them. All right, so real quick, it actually might be kind of hard because I don't have the fan here anymore, but I just wanna see. When it's in there, it's gonna look good. Yeah, from right here, I don't see it. Right over here in this corner, this is completely blocked up. I can't see any of it. Okay, cool. Because when the fan's here, the fan sits out right above that. Okay, I feel a little bit more confident about this now. It's not in all the way, but it's just enough. And from here, it looks good, bro. It looks real good. All right, that's got me hyped. All right, let's take a look at these real quick. Ooh, that's right, boys. This is car sound deadening. I am literally going to be getting the entire inside of the cabin once we take the carpet out, completely dead it down. It's gonna be amazing. But yeah, I literally ordered a pack. I'll put the link down in the description down below. I'll also put it in the next video as well once we install this. Again, for this, link in the description down below. We have a ton of it. Yes, sirree. Right here, we have the red black dye. This dye is what's gonna help me dye the carpet. I watched a few videos on this to make sure I'm doing everything right, but this is the dye that you need. I believe when I watched them do it, they only use one, but I got two just to be on the safe side. I do have a lot of carpet, front and back, but I think it should be, like, honestly, I think one might just be enough, but we'll get there when we get there. But this is gonna help dye the floor. We're gonna get it looking nice and black. It's gonna look really good. I can't wait to put this in. So this is what I want to show you guys. We got the dye for the carpet and we got the sound deadening for the car. Like, bro, we are getting there. We're getting stuff done. I'm so excited for this and I can't wait. In the next video, we will be pulling the carpet out and I might be laying this out. I'm not entirely sure. Following up with that, we will be dyeing the carpet and potentially doing the headliner because the headliner needs to get done as well. And literally within those next videos, we'll be halfway through the build, man. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. We are knocking these videos out like I promised you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's go.